In this movie, we will discuss variables. A variable is essential to the programming process. A variable will store data while an application is executing. A variable will have a name. It will be a name that you, the programmer, will create. This name is sometimes called an identifier. Variables must be named so as to be clear as to their function and purpose. And a variable has a specific data type. Why do we need variables in programming? Well, variables allow programs to be written so that no matter what the actual data is, the algorithm or the solution still works. For example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is true, but it will never change. That is, the number 2 is always the number 2. So therefore, 2 plus 2 equals 4 only works for that set of circumstances. But if you consider unknown number 1 plus unknown number 2 equals the correct answer, if we can set that up in an algorithm, then this will allow for different values for those unknown numbers and will allow for a different answer depending on the specific values. Variables can have different data types. We will discuss data types specifically. It limits the kind of data, whether it be numeric or alphabetic, or actually other types, that can be used. Variables can be available at different times. This is referred to as the scope and lifetime of a variable. And finally, variables are essential to creating real-world applications. So in the movies to follow, we will discuss creating variables, their data types, and how they should be used in actual applications.